Take a look at how much your face's collagen has been stimulated in only one session. Apply oil or cream. Make sure your hands glide smoothly over your skin, otherwise it could cause wrinkles. I've linked a few options down in the description box. Promote collagen production by gently tapping the face to prepare for the session. Lift the jawline and strengthen your skin's elasticity with this movement. Do it quickly, okay? Repeat these exercises often to prevent this area from sagging over time as we age. Do this movement to exercise the jaw area. It helps reduce or prevent the accumulation of fat here. Pinch along the jawline to strengthen skin elasticity and reverse signs of aging. Use your knuckles to massage all the facial muscles thoroughly. Lift and massage the center of your face like this. Lift the corners of your mouth. This movement also lifts the cheeks and helps prevent sagging. Pinch along the jawline to boost elasticity and fight signs of aging. Start at the earlobes, move upward to the middle of the ear, then to the top. Come back down, then go back up again. This movement is so relaxing, I can feel the wonderful warmth spreading across my face. Using your fingers, start at the nasolabial folds. Move upward to the temples and massage. Make sure to target the cheekbone muscles and move toward the hairline. This technique is great for reducing nasolabial folds. Take before and after photos. In just a few days, you'll notice an amazing difference. Smooth out those crow's feet with this technique. This helps remove toxin buildup and reduces eyelid sagging. Tap your forehead gently to stimulate collagen production. Don't just tap, tap outward to help lift the cheeks. This movement is so good for rebuilding collagen on your face. Do the raindrop massage underneath your eyes. This stimulates collagen and strengthens facial muscles. Let's calm and relax our faces. Don't forget to drink plenty of water after the session. You worked hard today. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. Bye!